Happy Friday! I have 30 minutes. Enjoy it. Oh, come on. You wonder. Life is a journey. Life is a journey. I even don't know how to say it, but hey, God. Now this God I serve. Now he bless me, nyaku. Now he turn everything around. Big up. It is a nice song. This song is beautiful. You know, this song is so beautiful. And I can imagine the thoughts behind this song. I can imagine the way this song come out, the day and the moment and everything. God. Make sure you share and like. That is it for me today. Stay blessed. This song is beautiful, 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 beautiful. I love this song. I love everything about this song. The first time I hear this song, I actually almost cried. It touched my heart. I was so touched. And today I can dance this song with pride, with joy. Knowing all the secret behind this song is the most amazing thing ever. Let's try to think about the painting when people paint. What do you think is behind the painting? When someone writes a song, what do you think is behind that song? Each and every song carrying a great meaning. And I'm just honored to see this song through. Listen to it again and again. I listen to this song. Most of the time I come here and I just dance. I don't even pay attention what is the song meaning, who are they singing to, and all these things. But now from this day onward, I will listen to song again and again before I play it, before I dance it. And this song has spoke to me in a way that no man can explain. And I'm so happy, so blessed, and I'm so grateful for this song. Thank you for liking my platform. Thank you for sharing. Here we're here to love, to share, and also to encourage one another, because live mirwa team karachi pa ro team ne pi wakenwa actually wa ichinya chill pero mo kweko dut gweno so mirwa nen mabeni This is all about this song. Thank you so much for being here, and this is it for me. I'll be back. I will drop some TikTok and all those kind of things. I'll make sure that I get this song across the nation, because this is one of the best song that I've just listened to. Let me say, this song just came out I think 4 or 5 days ago. I'm not very sure, but I think yeah, it's a great song. The first time I listened to this song, it was about 7 days ago, and I was like, God, this is a beautiful song, and I'm so humble to be among the people that will listen to these songs and the people who are going to celebrate this song. So be part of it. Let's celebrate. That is Brother Coin, eno. Uneno wero timaliet nyak parwot eno. Nene beru nyak parwot. Kulu mama migi. Meo me manok kakikema aki bora. Nyapa juni. Obeda tera kono obeda gonya maru tuwa ruot maru makara duzo. Achipa menachi aberu ka gwenyo miel kanjal. We mo de furu bina. We ni nigu nyaka ruora mani mapelara. We chana do nyaka ruot. Aberu tik. Jimne timalet. We ni do furu genyo koma genyo me chana mapelara. We lo ba. Ino kiwe kalaka mielo. Memeru mkoma. Oye maliji marwol bo king de boy amaru rap boy de tendo abite man produce of Uganda ya parwo ni amari penye winyo lok pano nyego tabe mon ni ageni penye maro ni logani ya parwo ni amari penye winyo lok pano nyego tabe mon ni ageni penye maro ni logani. Mama la demona ni tam kira ma wana jango kweren ini kira mama la tona ni tam kira no amai kere ima wana jango kure pa mira ni no nyo pokinwa ima wana jango no kinte para dera ni no nyo mira powa anka imba mama aye do bun kira mari anka imba baby man mo don polo pibora anka imba mama aye do bun kira mari Anka imba baby, but more don't go up in water. I know you got one thing, when it's true, get a chin and milk. I know you got one thing, when it's true, get a chin and milk. And you're a muda, Jana Mama, and a charity dada. And you're a muda, Jana Mama, and a charity dada. Don't you get a wiki go mutton? You don't know wiki go mutton. You don't get a wiki go mutton. Oh, where the dog go mutton? Give me a knee in the bed, Michael. Say me a knee in the bed, Nalaba. Give me a knee in the bed, Michael. Say me a knee in the bed, Nalaba. Quania mama, quania mama. Did ya talk to me? Did you talk to me? Give me la bebo, give me la bebo. Where is la bebo? Give me la mama. Never was in your mind. Bring when you lock on your own. The bemo, king in your game. Bring a man when you love a knee. Never was in your mind. Bring when you lock on your own. The bemo, king in your game. Bring a man when you love a knee. Oh, really? Penso don't tear. Dada, Anyaga muda, Jana Mama.
chari kidada. Dunya mukelo wiki komatin. Yedano lava wiki komatin. Nure mukelo wiki komatin. Wawero lava pongi komatin. Yaparu tinge ya mari. Pinge winyo lok palonyo. Tabe mon tinge ya geni. Pinge maro winyo lani. Yaparu tinge ya mari. Pinge winyo lok palonyo.
Elizabeth, how are you, my love?
Pinge maro winyo lani. Yaparu tinge ya mari. Pinge winyo lok palonyo. Tabe mon tinge ya geni. Pinge maro winyo lani. Yaparu tinge ya mari. Pinge winyo lok palonyo. Tabe mon tinge ya geni. Pinge maro winyo lani.
Ay, this song.